Chachare's red beans and rice, and Tony Chachere's red beans and rice. So I'm going to be reviewing both of these to see which one I prefer. Everybody has their own preference, but I really want to see which one is more flavorful than the other ones. But I'm going to use in the Chachere sausage, Cajun style smoked sausage, and then the Tony's, I guess they don't make sausage, so I'm using Abdul's Cajun sausage in this red beans and rice, and both of them I'm going to be using some celery, and I don't know which onion, yellow onions or the white onions. I'll just have to make up my mind on that. I do have a bunch of onions. So, y'all stick around for the taste test of, I think I'm gonna do Tony Chachere's first, and in a couple of days I'll do these Chachare's. So y'all stay tuned for the real video, or the whole video, however it goes. Love y'all. Please subscribe, like, and share this video, and we're gonna keep making more for you. Autumn's over there coloring. Hi, Autumn.
I color.
You coloring? Okay. It's black. Okay, everybody. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm in the kitchen fixing to cook up this Tony Chachere's red beans and rice. And let's get started. I can't wait. So, I got the skillet heating up here. I got that Abdul's sausage going in the skillet. Wow, got it all up. Turn up that heat a little bit, about medium. Get this sausage going. Well, I figured it'd be hot by now, but it's slow getting there. There it goes. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this onion in with the celery. Lord have mercy, that's gonna be good. Already smelling good. I'm gonna cook this up and I'll be right back with y'all. Well, guys, I got it kind of cooked down. Time to add that water. It calls for 3 3/4 cups of water. Pour that water right in on that. Stir this around a little bit. Easy meals to make for dinner, supper, whatever you call it. I call it supper. Already did that poll a long time ago when supper won. So, set that spoon over here. Get the package mixed opened up and poured in, and go ahead and get her boiling. Look at all that dust. Get that stirred in, and I'll cover it up and get her to boiling. Wonder who's gonna win. Zatarain's or Tony Chachere's. In my book, anyway. Y'all had to give your own review a try. Well, let me get this brought up to a boil, and I'll be right back with y'all. Well, she's a-boiling, so it's gonna be a little while yet. Whoop, I fogged up the camera. Sorry about that, guys. There it comes back. Well, we'll be back with the final product. How about that? And taste test. Bye, y'all. All right, I got the Tony Chachere's red beans and rice cooked up. Brandy's here with me to take a taste test.
Come here,
I got
Autumn.
mine. You want a bite?
Autumn, you want a bite?
I don't think you will, because it's a little on the spicy side. I did have to taste test earlier.
That's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
Ooh, it's spicy.
I don't know if it came from the sausage or what.
It's got a good bite. That's good though.
Putting them onions and celery in there kind of helps, and the sausage.
It's very good.
I'll give it probably a 7.
I'd say about a 6.5.
I'm not really going to judge it until I try the other one.
Yeah. But I like it.
I like it. It's good. To make a meal.
Yep. I thought you were going to say something else.
No, I ain't going to say that. I know what you're thinking. She's nasty, y'all. I guess that's it for now until I do the next video on the Zatarain's.
Zatarain's.
Zataran.
Zatarain? Oh, okay.
Zataran. Zatarain's red beans and rice. So y'all
Stick around.
keep watching for the next video on that one, because this one's going to come out before the other one. So y'all stay tuned. We love you.
Love you.
Give us a thumbs up.
Share us around a little.
Ring that bell.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Bye.
Watch some videos and get our hours up.
Yes.
Bye, y'all.
Bye, y'all.
Love you.